Let's go get a cargo. I'm leaving.
Stop. The forklift is out of water. Add water before you turn it on.
How do you know you're out of water? The only thing I've ever heard about whole forks is water. Why does this forklift need water? What can I do without water? Hurry up and pull the shipment.
Alright.
Don't do it yet. The lack of water in the fork will cause the engine to pull the cylinder. And the battery of electric fork water is easy to damage. Can also lead to plate leakage and vulcanization.
Well, it's already done, so let's look up after we know.
We'll replace the batteries when you're done adding water first.
Go ahead. Can you?
I didn't add that either.
Come and see me. Forklift water is here. We open the cover of the injection valve. You can directly see if there is a water shortage. Now this is a water shortage. We connected the water to refill the forklift. Insert the hose into the bucket. Adjust the limit stop key. Just plug in the liquid injection port and turn on the switch. Just wait for the water to fill up. Just fill up the other dehydrated ports as well.
Oh, that is light. I will always fill the water.